Hey there, I'm Chris,
And I'm Ben.
and we are with Swartz Restoration. We are here in New Bremen, Ohio, and we want to let you know that if you experience any sort of water damage in your home or your business, maybe it's a leaky faucet that affects your floors, maybe it's a water supply line on your dishwasher or your washing machine and it seeps down to the basement, or maybe it's a sump pump that backs up, or maybe a storm rolls through the area and you have all kinds of water damage in your home, we are here to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact.
Absolutely. You know, we've been in business for over 36 years, and it's always been our mission to care for people going through these certain types of disasters, whether it's fire damage, water damage, storm damage. It's our desire to care for people going through these disasters that are happening. If you find yourself in one of these disasters, feel free to call our office at 419-331-1024 or visit our website at swartzrestoration.com.